Hey TGM, how's it going, man? So yeah, here's basically like 3 hours worth of work. What I got here is I got a theme folder, and under my you gotta excuse me, I've been drinking a little bit tonight, but underneath my theme folder, I got the Myth Ubuntu folder, right? And then I got the Ubuntu SDK folder. And what this kind of represents, well, I'll just show you. So if we just press the run button right here, you can see we got the media library. And if we go into our media library and we go to, say, I don't know, watch videos, you'll see that our videos will start popping up and blah 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 blah. I got to change some things and make it more to its naming. But basically, all these things are just components right here that I had wrote into the back end before, right? So if I go to, say, like, I don't know, across the universe right here, it'll pop up this thing, and I'm gonna make it look exactly like Myth Ubuntu, but with more fancy effects. Be like, hey, here's a run for a XBMC sort of deal. We press the play button right here. It'll play the video internally. We have our own internal video player now here. You can see the video starts playing, and of course I'm going to change all this up so each theme, let me pause this. So each theme that I'm doing, basically I want to have the theme. My puppy is sitting on my microphone. So I want to have each one of the themes basically to match, right? But I want to have the components match the XML that is already been written for the theme. So, say like if there was a theme for the player to have a black bar at the bottom, it would match that. It would see that there's a black bottom, and it would use that XML, so to say, right? We can, of course, hit back and go back to the done button, and then we're back here, Of course, I got the mouse hover thing working or whatever, Basically, that's what it is, and I want to be able to have themes for everything, including for phones and tablets and so on and so forth. Anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you later tomorrow about all of this, but that should give you like a really good idea, I guess. Like, basically, like everything that you see here, right? All these things, they're all being read through XML, right? So if I go to manage, say I go to setup, right? You can see that it automatically grabs the screen capture at the background and says, oh, we should have a time and date here, because it's reading it from the XML files themselves that you guys already wrote, basically, right? So like that's the deal. The XML files that you guys have already wrote, I'm reading those into the program itself, and then converting that to say, make this do this, make this do this, etc., etc., etc. Anyways, talk to you tomorrow in Google Hangout, but I hope this will give you some more idea of what's going on.